Hello, Remarkable and family. Welcome back to our culinary haven. Today, we are diving into the heart of holiday feasting with a timeless classic roast turkey with herb butter. Get ready to elevate your festive table with this mouth-watering centerpiece. Part 1. Ingredients. Let us start with the building blocks of our culinary masterpiece. For this recipe, you will need a quality turkey, softened unsalted butter, fresh herbs, rosemary, thyme and sage, garlic, salt, pepper, and a dash of olive oil. Part 2. Herb butter preparation. First up, our star, the herb butter. In a bowl, combine softened butter with finely chopped rosemary, thyme, sage, and minced garlic. Season generously with salt and pepper. Mix until you have a fragrant, herb-infused butter blend. Part 3. Preparing the turkey. Now, let us prep our turkey. Make sure it is thawed completely and patted dry with paper towels. Gently loosen the skin over the breast and legs without tearing it. This is where our herb butter will work its magic. Part 4. Herb butter under the skin. Take generous scoops of the herb butter and massage it under the turkey's skin. Ensure an even distribution for that burst of flavor in every bite. Do not be shy, get those herbs in there. Part 5. Seasoning exterior. With the herb butter beneath the skin, let us give the exterior some love. Brush the turkey with olive oil for a crispy, golden finish. Sprinkle a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance the outer layer. Part 6. Trussing the turkey. Now, trussing time. Use kitchen twine to tie the legs together and secure the wings against the body. This not only promotes even cooking but also gives our turkey a tidy, picture-perfect appearance. Part 7. Roasting. Preheat your oven to the perfect roasting temperature. Place the herb butter-infused turkey in a roasting pan and let it work its magic in the oven. Cooking times may vary based on the size, so consult your turkey's guidelines. Part 8. Basting. During the roasting process, baste the turkey with its own juices every 30 minutes. This ensures that flavorful moisture is locked in, resulting in a succulent, tender masterpiece. Part 9. Final touches. As our turkey roasts to perfection, savor the aromas filling your kitchen. Once it reaches a golden brown hue, and the internal temperature hits the recommended mark, it's time to bring it out and let it rest for a while before carving. And there you have it, our classic roast turkey with herb butter. A festive delight that will have your guests singing praises. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more remarkable and culinary adventures. Until next time, happy cooking and stay remarkable.